Let's pretend that after you've made your video that you're not happy with it because there's an area in it that you don't like. Well, what can you do? Well, let's say it's also been a couple of days since you did the video and you've gone back and looked at it. What you can do is go back into Loom, choose the video, come over here to your edit video, look at trim. Okay, we've brought trim up. We're going to let it come on and be ready. Now it's ready for editing. All you have to do is go to the area that you know the video's at. So you've watched your video beforehand. You know that the problem took place at the 1 minute and 15-second mark. So I'm going to take and drag us on over to that point. Well, I got minute 14, and that's close, but not quite. But I'll show you a little feature. You click on Start Trimming. I'm going to increase this by using the little time place here for start. And we'll take it up to a minute 15, and we know that we want it to end at a minute 20, so I can come over here, I can drag this backwards, as you can see. And when I get real close, like right here, I'm going to go ahead and just bring it on down. And we'll get rid of that little 5-second blurb that we didn't like. And all you have to do that is click on Remove. Once you're done, you can click on Finish Changes. If there are any other issues that you have that you need to take out, this is still the time you can do it before clicking on Publish. Like I'll come over here, click Start Trimming, and mark it there, and now I'll tell that to remove and Publish Changes. Once you're through, that's all you have to do. Now after this renders, you see the dog Luna, she sits there and watches your video render. Almost there. Okay, 0 seconds remaining. It should finish up any second now. And there we go. Now you go through and you watch the video, and then you can start recording. And if you need to highlight something in this when you're talking about it, you can see. Now, let's say you've watched this and you didn't like it. Well, you can also go back on trim. You'll bring this video back up. And right here you will get Revert to Original. So if you don't like what your edits were, just click on Revert to Original. And it'll ask you if you want to delete all of your edits. You can tell it okay if you don't want them there, and takes them out, and everything is back to the way it was. So you do have limited ability to do some editing in here, just enough to get rid of any mistakes that you don't want, or if you gave a wrong example, you can cut it right out. If you have any questions, contact your ITRT and they'll be more than willing to help.